So yesterday we went from Montego Bay to Negril, and so we passed through Orange Bay, and Orange Bay is looking much better, much better than here. We haven't been off the main road into the communities, as what we are doing is to check on all the police stations to ensure that our officers are okay, so that they can continue to serve and protect.
I doubt it. We may see something later on, but
I'm not sure how far in Because that you can go to. There was it was flooded last night, so I'm not sure how far in Because that you can go to.